in this video I wanted to share my beauty room slash office room update. So I want to apply a peel and stick wallpaper to the back of my vanity. I did pick up, this is it right here. It has the grass cloth print on there. It's not the real one, it's just the print, but I really like the texture of the grass cloth. It's very modern yet traditional. It's a very transitional piece, so you could use it in either setting, whether you're modern decor or traditional decor. But I really like this. So I do live in an apartment, and I currently have matte textured paint. It's a matte finish. So I realized that applying a peel and stick wallpaper will damage the wall when I go to remove it in the future. So to avoid that issue, and you know, not to cause a big headache when I'm moving or whenever my lease ends, or if I do decide to move, whichever comes first, I just want to make the process much easier and smoother. So they say it's best to apply peel and stick to either a satin or eggshell finish, anything but a matte finish paint. So I went to Home Depot and I picked up some Behr, it's Ultra Pure White. It is the paint and primer in one, and this one is an eggshell enamel. This one is a little bit cheaper. I got this one for 30 bucks. The satin finish is a little bit more expensive. I didn't really see the difference or the need to purchase the satin finish. The eggshell would do just fine. So I am going to apply it to my wall to prep it before I apply the wallpaper. I have to wait at least a week before I apply it. So pretty much ready to go. I'm going to prep the room, so you guys are going to see me apply the primer and the paint right now. So I hope this video is helpful. So if you are a renter like me, this is very renter friendly, and if you don't want to basically destroy, you know, the paint, and for your landlord not to take any money from your deposit, this will basically prep the walls for them anyway, because they do have to prime before they paint. So this is perfect. It's not a hassle for you or your landlord. So I hope this video is helpful, guys. Let's jump into this primer. I'm going to also, I have to patch some areas on my wall, so I'm going to do that as well, and then I'm going to paint. So I hope this video is helpful. Let's start painting. So now I finished the wall. So now I'm going to use my smaller brush, and then I'm going to clean up the edges so everything could look clean, because you know you don't want to do a sloppy paint job. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. In addition to my room, I decided to paint the foyer under my bar area and the hallway. Later on, I will touch up my master bedroom, the kids' room, dining, and living room as well, because it's the new year. I want to add a fresh coat of paint to my apartment.